Good morning students. Today we have to discuss a new topic, progressions. So first we have to learn sequence. What is sequence? A sequence is an arrangement of set of numbers in particular order followed by some rule. A sequence is an arrangement of set of numbers in particular order followed by some rule. A sequence is an arrangement of set of numbers in particular order followed by some rule, that is sequence. See this example, set of natural numbers. This is sequence. Even numbers. This is also sequence. Odd numbers. This is sequence. Observe one more. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. This is also one sequence. Now observe this one. This is 2 power 1. This is 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6, like that. This is also one sequence. And multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, like that. This is also sequence. So these are examples of sequence. So observe, in this series different type of numbers are there. Various numbers occurring in the sequence is called terms. Various numbers occurring in the sequence are called terms. Various numbers occurring in the sequence are called terms. Generally terms are denoted by T1, T2, T3, T4, like that. This is first term, second term, third term, fourth term. Nth term of the sequence denoted by Tn. Nth term of the sequence is denoted by Tn. See this example, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. In this sequence, first term T1 is equal to 3, second term T2 is equal to 6, third term T3 is equal to 9, fourth term T4 is equal to 12, fifth term T5 is equal to 15, like that. Okay, so various numbers occurring in the sequence are called terms. Okay, terms are denoted by T1, T2, T3, T4, so on, like that. So nth term is denoted by Tn. So finite and infinite sequence and infinite. Finite and infinite sequence. If last term of the sequence is known, if the last term sequence is known, then it is called finite sequence. If the last term of the sequence is known, then it is called, then the series is called finite sequence, then the sequence is called finite sequence. Otherwise it is infinite sequence. If the last term of the sequence is known, then the sequence is called finite sequence, otherwise it is infinite sequence. See this example, First 10 natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is finite sequence. Finite sequence. Set of all natural numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 so on like that. This is infinite sequence. So if the last term of the sequence is known, then it is called finite sequence, otherwise that is infinite sequence. Here how many terms are there we cannot find, so that's why number of terms we don't know, so that's why that is infinite sequence. Next one is series. Sum of the terms of the sequence is known as series. Sum of the terms of the sequence. Sum of the terms of the sequence is called series. Example, sum of the terms of the sequence is called series. Sum of the terms of the sequence. See this example, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus so on like that. This is series. Sum of the terms of the sequence. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, that is sequence. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus so on, that is sequence. 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus so on like that. This is series. Now observe one more example, 3 plus 9 plus 27 plus 81 plus 243 plus so on. Okay, this is also series. Odd numbers, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus so on 99. Okay, now observe this is infinite series, this is finite series. This is finite series. Why? Because number of terms we can count, so that's why this is finite series, this is infinite series. Okay, next we have to discuss arithmetic progression. So arithmetic progression short form is AP. So what is AP? See this example, first one. So I taken first term is 2. So how to get next term? By adding a fixed quantity. So I taken fixed quantity is 3. So 2 plus 3 5. How to get next term? 5 plus 3 8. How to get next one? 8 plus 3 11. Next one 14. Next one 17. This is AP series. So I taken minus 5. That is first term. So by adding a fixed quantity, I taken fixed quantity is 4. So minus 5 plus 4 how much? Minus 1. Minus 1 plus 4 how much? 3. 3 plus 4 7. 7 plus 4 11. 11 plus 4 15. 15 plus 4 19. This is also AP series. So one more example, I taken 10. First term is 10. So by adding plus 5 15 20 25 30 35. How to get next number? By adding a fixed quantity. Here fixed quantity is 5. So 40 like that. Okay, in the second example, fixed quantity is 4 by adding a fixed quantity. Okay, next one, I taken 5, first one. So by adding a fixed quantity, here fixed quantity is minus 2. 5 minus 2 how much? 3. 3 minus 2 1. 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. How to get next number? By adding a fixed quantity. Here fixed quantity is minus 2, so that's why we get minus 5. Next one is minus 7. Next one is minus 9. So this is examples of AP. So what is the definition? A series in which each term except first term is obtained by adding its preceding term by a fixed quantity is called an AP. A series in which each term except first term is obtained by adding its preceding term by a fixed quantity is called an AP. A series in which each term except first term. A series in which each term except first term is obtained by adding its preceding term by a fixed quantity is called an AP, arithmetic progression. A series in which each term except first term is obtained by adding its preceding term by a fixed quantity is called an AP. So here fixed quantity is called common difference. Common difference. It is denoted by small common difference D. So in first example, common difference D is equal to how much? Plus 3. In second example, D is equal to how much? Plus 4. In third example, D is equal to 5. In fourth example, D is equal to minus 2. Okay, that is common difference of the different series. So example in AP 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. This is example of AP series. So here D is equal to common difference D is equal to 2. Okay, so how to find D value? D is equal to difference of second term and first term. So T2 minus T1, 3 minus 1, it becomes 2. Similarly, D is equal to third term minus second term, T3 minus T2, that is equal to 5 minus 3, 2. So D is equal to fourth term minus third term, T4 minus T3. So 7 minus 5, that is equal to 2. So therefore D is equal to Tn minus Tn minus 1, nth term minus previous of nth term, n minus 1 term. So D is equal to Tn minus Tn minus 1. Or D is equal to T2 minus T1, D is equal to T3 minus T2, D is equal to T4 minus T3. So similarly D is equal to Tn minus Tn minus 1. Nth term in AP. Nth term in AP. Let small a is the first term and small d is the common difference then so T1 first term T1 is equal to A. Here first term is represented with A, so T1 is equal to A. How to get T2? So how to get second term means the common difference is added to first term T1 plus common difference is added to first term. So that equal to T1 means A plus D. T3 is equal to T2 plus D. Second term, if you add common difference to second term, it becomes third term. So A plus D, T2, A plus D plus D. So it becomes A plus 2D. So T4 is equal to third term plus common difference. Third term A plus 2D plus D. So A plus 3D. We get A plus 3D. That is fourth term. So how to get fifth term? Fourth term plus common difference. A plus 3D plus D. So it becomes A plus 4D. So here fifth term we get A plus 4D. Sixth term A plus 5D. Fifth term is A plus 4D. Fourth term is A plus 3D. Third term is A plus 2D. So coefficient of D is reduced by 1. Okay. So fifth term is A plus 4D. Sixth term is A plus 5D. Seventh term is A plus 6D. So eighth term is A plus 7D. So if you write 100 term, A plus 99D. So how to write Tn nth term in AP? a plus 99 means 100 minus 1, a plus 100 minus 1 into d. So like that here n minus 1 into d. So nth term in AP, a plus n minus 1 into d. Nth term in AP, a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a is the first term and d is a common difference of the AP series. So this nth term sometimes also called last term of the series. Last term, it is represented with L, a plus n minus 1 into d. Sometimes represented with L, Tn, nth term of the series, or sometimes we have to take as last term. It is denoted with L. So L is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So therefore AP series, A is the first term, second term is a plus d, third term is a plus 2d, fourth term a plus 3d, fifth term a plus 5d, sorry a plus 4d, so on, nth term a plus n minus 1 into d. This is AP series. If a common difference is positive, it becomes increasing AP, then it is called increasing AP. Common difference is positive. Positive, common difference is positive, then the series is called increasing AP. If common difference is negative, then the series is called decreasing AP. Means AP series, common difference is positive, then the AP series is called increasing AP. If common difference is negative, then the AP series is called decreasing AP. So now observe some examples. Find the common difference of AP series x plus 4x by 3 plus 5x by, like this. So this is first term, it is denoted with a is equal to first term, a is equal to x. Common difference d is equal to t2 minus t1, or t3 minus t2, t4 minus t3, anyone. So d common difference d is equal to t2, second term minus first term. So LCM is 3, 4x minus 3x, it becomes x by 3. So common difference is x by 3. One more example. Find 15th term of AP, x plus y, comma x minus y, x minus 3y, like that, so on. Asking 15th term. So solution, 15th term means if you find any term, compulsory we need a value and d value. So from this series we have to find a value and d value. First term a is equal to x plus y. So common difference d is equal to t2 minus t1. So x minus y minus of x plus y. So x minus y minus x minus y. So plus x minus y plus x minus x cancel, minus 2y, that is common difference. So asking 15th term. So general term, nth term of the AP series Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here 15th term means a plus 15 minus 1 into d. So a plus 14d. This is 15th term. What is a value? X plus y. 14 into what is d? Minus 2y. So x plus y minus 28y. So x minus 27y. This is 15th term of given AP series. So one more example. Which term of the AP series 21 plus 23 plus 25 plus 27 plus so on 97, so on is 97. So which term of in this AP series 97 is which term? 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, so on, like this series is there. In this series 97 is which term asking, that is 10th term, 15th term, we don't know. Okay, we have to find that is which term. See, this in solution, this is first term, this is second, this is third, fourth, fifth, like that. So 97 is which term? So here from this one, first term a is equal to how much? 21. So common difference d is equal to t2 minus t1, 23 minus 21. So it becomes how much? 2. So that is common difference. Now let assume that 97 is asking which term. Let that is considered Tn is equal to 97. That is 5th term, 7th term, 15th term, 100th term, we don't know. So that's why taken as Tn is equal to 97. You have to find n value. Okay, what is formula Tn? A plus n minus 1 into t, general term in AP 97. Now substitute a value and d value. So 21 plus n minus 1 into d is 2, 97. 21 plus 2n minus 2 is equal to 97. 2n plus 19 is equal to 97. So 2n is equal to 97 minus 19. So 2n is equal to 17, 8, 78. So n is equal to 78 by 2, 6, 9. So n is equal to 39. So therefore 39th term is 97. So in this series 39th term is 97.